Hello everyone, Sarah from BudgetGadgets.com here. This video is about a mini freezer refrigerator. This is the package option. A rectangle paper box. This package option is $5 choice, but just choose the no package option. Default no package is fine. It will wrapped with the bubbles in the airmail package, so it's okay for shipping. So here is the freezer refrigerator. This is the USB connector. Just plug it into the USB port on your PC is fine. The button controller on and off, also two options for heating or cooling. This is the inside. It's about 200 millimeters in length or height and 80 multiply 80 on the bottom. On the bottom, it is where it works to cool or heat your drink. Just put your drink in the fridge. So just put your drink in the refrigerator when you are on your PC surfing the internet. It's energy saving $26 on BudgetGadgets.com with free shipping, so check out the descriptions for the link. Thanks for watching. See you.